Today we discuss on a topic probability. Now we see the examples. Now see first example. If two dice are thrown simultaneously and the probability that sum of the numbers on both dice is 3 or 5, sum of the numbers on both dice is 3 or 5. Now here firstly we find the sample base. We write sample base here. Firstly write 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now then we write 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 5. 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Here and 6 here. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. This is your sample paste. Now here total sample paste contain n of s is equal to 36. N of s is equal to 36. If two dice are thrown simultaneously, find the probability that sum of the numbers on both dice is 3 or here or 3 or 5. Now we find the numbers. Their sum is 3 or 5. We find the numbers. Their sum is 3 or 5. Here 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. Here 3. Here 5. Here 5. Here 5. Now here total number n of a is equal to here P of a, probability of a is equal to n of a divided by n of s. N of s. Here now your event contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 samples out of total 36 samples. Then 6 1 is 6, 6 is 36. Now your probability is 1 by 6. Your probability is 1 by 6. Now probability that getting sum 3 or 5 is 1 by 6. Now next. This is simple. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability that sum of the numbers on both dice is 12. Now here we find the dice. Their numbers. Their sum is 12. Numbers. Their sum is 12. Now here we write. This is sample paste. Then their summation is 12. Now find that number. Here. Summation is 12. 6 5 is 6 plus 5 11. 10 11. 12 6 plus 6. Here 12 is 6 plus 6. Now both digits their sum is 12 is only one sample. Then P of A is equal to probability of A. P of A is equal to n of a divided by n of s. N of a divided by n of s. Number of samples of that event is 1, and then n of s is equal to 36. Then your answer is 36. The sum of the both number is 12. That is only 1. Now next. Their summation is 11. Now here two dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability that the sum of the numbers on both dice is 11. We find that digit, their sum is 11. Then here 6, 9, 10, 5 plus 6 is 11. And 6 plus 5 is 11. There are two samples. Now here your probability is P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. N of A divided by n of S. Their event contain two samples, 6, 5, 5, 6. Then n of A is equal to 2, and their total number of sample is 36. Then your probability is 1 by 18. 1 by 18. Now your probability is 1 by 18. Then the probability of sum of number on both dice is 11 is 1 by 18. Now next. There are two dice are thrown simultaneously. What is the probability that number of both dice is duplicate? Number of both dice is duplicate. Means there are two numbers are same. First dice have those number on second dice. Then two numbers are same. Then these samples are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6. Then total samples are 6. Then probability of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. Then number of samples are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divided by 36. Then your probability is 1 by 6. Then your probability is 1 by 6. Then probability that the numbers on both the dice are duplicate is 1 by 6. Your answer is 1 by 6. Now next. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability that the first dice get odd number. The first dice get odd number and second dice get multiple of 3. Here first die get odd number and second die get multiple of 3. Now here first dice get odd number and second is multiple of 3 is 1, 2. First dice get odd number and second is multiple of 3. 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then total samples are here. We write the samples. 1, 3, 1, 6, 3, 3, 3, 6, 5, 3, 5, 6. These are the samples. Then P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. Then n of A is equal to 6 and n of S is equal to total 36. Then your answer is 1 by 6. then probability that of first dice get odd number and second dice get multiple of 3, that is your answer is 1 by 6. Now your answer is 1 by 6. Now next. A basket contains 3 blue, 2 green and 5 red balls. If 3 balls are drawn simultaneously from the basket, what is the probability that at least one, here at least one of them is red. Probability that at least one of them is red. At least. मग तुम्हाला कमीत कमी एक रेड पाहिजे. मग इथं इव्हेंट इज at least one of them is red. At least one of them is red. कमीत कमी इथे काय पाहिजे तुम्हाला, कमीत कमी एक रेड. ऍट लिस्ट कमीत कमी एक रेड. जास्तीत जास्त किती रेड असले तरी चालतील. मग हिअर n of s is equal to total balls in basket 3 plus 2 7 plus 3 10. Then these are selected by 10C. Here 3 balls are drawn from 10 balls. 3 balls are drawn from 10 balls. Now here your n of s is equal to 10C3. Here we find now your formula of NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Your formula for NCR is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Now here we find n of s. Here 10 factorial divided by subtraction of these two, 10 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Now here 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 3 factorial. 7 factorial into 3 factorial. Now here we find n of s. Here we find n of s is equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. 7 factorial get cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. Then your n of s is equal to 10 into 3 into 4. n of s is equal to 10 into 3 into 4. That is 120. 120. This is your n of s. Now here your n of a 3 balls are drawn simultaneously from basket. What is the probability that at least one of them is red? At least one of them is red. Here n of s is 120. n of s is equal to 120. Now here n of a, we find n of a. At least one of them is red. कमीत कमी एक रेड तुम्हाला पाहिजे. मग आपण इथं 3 बॉल काढतोय बरोबर. त्यातला कमीत कमी एक बॉल काय पाहिजे रे? रेड पाहिजे. कमीत कमी एक. मग राहिलेल्या 5 पैकी 2 बॉल ड्रॉन करणार. राहिलेल्या रिमेनिंग 5 बॉल्स 2 बॉल्स आर ड्रॉन प्लस पाच रेड पैकी 2 रेड असू शकतात. 5 रेड पैकी 2 रेड असू शकतात. मग राहिलेल्या 5 पैकी एक बॉल तुम्ही ड्रॉन करणार. राहिलेल्या 5 पैकी एक बॉल ड्रॉन करणार. एक बॉल सिलेक्ट करणार. प्लस आता 5 ऍटलिस्ट 1 कमीत कमी एक. जास्तीत जास्त किती लागतील? मग जास्तीत जास्त तुम्हाला किती पाहिजे? 3 ही चालतील. मग 3 रेड 5 रेड पैकी 3 रेड ड्रॉन केले. मग इथं n of a is equal to 5c1, 5c1, 5c2, 5c1. Now here find 5c1, here we directly write here. This is the value of 6. 1 1 1 plus 1 2 2 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1 1 4 6 4 1 1 5 10 10 5 1 1. Here this is value of 5C0, 5C1, 5C2, 5C3, 5C4 and 5C5. 5C1 value is 5, 5C2 value is 10, 5C2 value is 0 1 2 3, C2 value is 10, 5C1 value is 5, 5C3 value is 0 1 2 3, 5C3 also 10. Now here we find 50 plus 50 plus 10. Now here n of a is equal to 50 plus 50, 100 plus 10, 110. N of a is equal to 110. Now here we find the probability. Then P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. N of A divided by N of S. Then N of A, your N of A is equal to 110 and N of S is equal to 120. 0 0 get cancelled. Then your probability is 11 by 12. The probability of at least one of them red is 11 by 12. Your answer is 11 by 12. Now next. A basket contains 3 blue, 2 green and 5 red balls. If 4 balls are drawn simultaneously, from that basket, what is the probability that 2 of them are green? What is the probability that 2 of them are green and 2 are blue? Here definitely there 2 of them are blue and 2 of them are blue. Then we find firstly N of S. There are 4 balls are drawn from total balls are 3 plus 2, 5 plus 5, 10. Total balls are 10. Now here we drawn 4 balls from 10 balls. By 4C4, 10C4. Here we drawn 4 balls from 10 balls. Then N of S is equal to 10C4. Now here we calculate N of S. 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 4, 6 factorial into 4 factorial. 6 factorial into 4 factorial. Now here we calculate from this 9, 8, 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 4 factorial means 4, 3, 2 into 1. 6 factorial get cancelled. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now here 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Here 2 get cancelled. Now here remain N of S is equal to 10 into 3 into 7. 10 into 3 into 7. That is 210. Then value of N of S. Then your value of N of S is equal to 210. Value of N of S. 10C4, 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 4 factorial is 6 factorial divided into 4 factorial. Now 10 factorial write 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial is same. Then 4 factorial is converted into multiplication 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now here remain N of S is equal to 210. N of S is equal to 210. Now we find N of A. Here that is the probability that 2 of them are green and 2 of them are blue. 2 of them are green and 2 of them are blue. Then N of A is equal to 2 of them. are green. Total green balls are 2. Then 2C 2 and 2 of them are blue. Total blue balls are 3. 3C 2. We calculate value of this 2C2. 2C2. Here we write 3C2. Here 2C0, 2C1, 2C2. 2C2 is 1. 3C2. 3C0, 3C1, 3C2. 3C2 is 3. Then your n of A is equal to 3. N of A is equal to 3. 2C2 is 1. 3C2. 3C0, 3C1, 3C2 is 3. Now here we find the probability. Then P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. N of A divided by n of S. Then n of A is equal to n of A is equal to 3 and n of S is equal to 210. Then your probability is 3 1 are 3, 3 7 are 21. Then 1 upon 70. Then probability that 2 of them are green and 2 of them are blue is 1 divided by 70. This is your answer. 1 divided by 70. This is your answer. Now next. A basket contains 3 red, 4 green marbles. 3 red, 4 green marbles. 3 marbles are drawn at random from the basket. What is the probability that 2 of them are green and 1 is red? Find the probability that 2 of them is green and 1 is red. First you will find n of S. Then total marbles are 3 plus 4 is 7. Now here from 7 we drawn 3 marbles. From 7 we drawn 3 marbles by 7C3. We find the value of 7C3. Then 7C3 is equal to 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 3 factorial into 4 factorial. Into 3 factorial. 7 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Now here 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial. Here we write 7 factorial means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial get cancelled. Then 3 1 the 3 2 the 6. Here remain is 7 into 5, that is 35. Then your n of S is 35. Here we write n of S is equal to 35. N of S is equal to 35. Now we find n of A. Here n of S is equal to 35. Now here we find the your event is 2 of them are green and 1 is red. 2 of them are green. Then we drawn total green balls are 4. Out of 4, 2 green balls are drawn. Then 4C2 and 1 is red and 1 is red. There are 3 red balls, out of which 1 is drawn. Now here your 4C2 value, we find value of 4C2. Then 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2 factorial. 4 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. Now here we calculate this. Then 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2 factorial is 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 1 is 2 factorial into 1. 2 factorial into 1. Then we write 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. Here 2 factorial remains same. Then 2 factorial means 2 into 1 into 3 factorial means 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial get cancelled. Here 2 factorial get cancelled. Then remaining is 2 1 the 2 2 the 4. Then your remaining is 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3. Then this multiplication is 3 3 are 9, 9 2 are 18. 9 2 are 18. Then n of a, your n of a is equal to 18. N of a is equal to 18. Then probability that 2 are green and 1 are red. Probability that 2 are green and 1 is red. P of a is equal to total n of a is equal to 18 and n of a is equal to 35. This is your probability. Then probability that 2 of them green and 1 is red is 18 by 35. This is your answer. We stop here.